हेलो स्टूडेंट, तो कैसे हैं आप सब। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी के बारे में। मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी इज important for your prelims examination. In 2017 there was a direct question on the MPC. Monetary Policy Committee is important for managing the monetary policy of country to set out the repo rate. आप कंटिन्यूसली न्यूज में पढ़ते रहते होंगे अबाउट द रेपो रेट, देयर इज अ कट डाउन ऑफ द रेपो रेट। रिसेंटली 25 बेसिस पैसा कम भी किया गया है रेपो रेट बाय द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी आफ्टर द 5 years. So in this video we are going to discuss about the monetary policy committee. Exactly MPC है क्या, what are the members of the monetary policy committee, how many members from the government of India, how many members from the RBI. We are going to discuss all these things and what kind of the question can be asked from the monetary policy committee we are going to discuss here. So watch the video till the last and give the answer of the question in the comment section. That is going to be the important for your prelims examination. Okay, so let's start with the MPC. Monetary Policy Committee was set up by a MOU signed between the Government of India, MOU signed between the Government of India and the Reserve Bank of India. It is specifically set up to target the inflation, to target the monetary policy and to set up the monetary policy in targeting the inflation specifically. कि किस तरीके से monetary policy framework काम करेगा and how the new inflation target was 4 plus minus 2 means minimum is 2 to 6 के inflation के में ही काम करना होगा and this committee will take the decision related to the monetary policy. If the inflation is above 6, 7, 8, then this committee will take the decision and decrease or increase the repo rate accordingly, the requirement. So this committee was under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 and amended by the Finance Act of 2016. So this act became the important under the Act of RBI 1934 and the Finance Act of 2016. So these two acts become important for your prelims examination. Don't confuse with the RBI Act of 1949. So this is the MPC. MPC specifically focus करता है to fixing the benchmark rate, that is the repo rate. Benchmark policy rate, that is the repo rate, that is focus on the increase in the interest rate or decrease in the interest rate. Interest rate पे specifically focus करता है, either the increase in the interest rate or decrease in the interest rate basis on the how the economy is performing, how and the what level of the inflation is in the economy. उसके basis पे ही RBI decision लेता है, monetary policy committee decision लेता है what to do with the repo rate. Before the MPC, before the monetary policy committee, there was a committee is known as technical advisory committee. The committee was known as technical advisory committee. Technical advisory committee. If there is a statement in your examination, the monetary policy committee replace the technical advisory committee, that statement will be right. So this become important for your examination. Next, if we are focusing on what is the monetary policy committee, what to do, specifically fix the benchmark interest rate, जो हमने discuss किया. Now we are going to discuss about the composition of the members of the monetary policy committee. The monetary policy committee is total having the 6 members. It's having the 6 members. Out of the 6 members, the 3 members are from the Government of India and the 3 members are from the RBI. 3 members are from the RBI. In the 3 members of the RBI, one is the governor of the RBI. Second is the deputy governor of the RBI. Third is the board member of the RBI. These are 3 members which are the part of the monetary policy committee from the Reserve Bank of India and the 3 members from the Government of India which are nominated by the governments. So these are the 6 members of the monetary policy committee. And out of these 6 monetary policy committee, the Reserve Bank of India is heading the committee. Who is the chairman of the committee? If there is a statement, who is the chairman of the committee? That is the Reserve Bank of India. Governor is the chairman of the committee. If we're looking at this information here, the MPC is having the 6 members. You can see here. Monetary Policy Committee is having the 6 members. You can see here the Monetary Policy Committee is having the 6 members. And out of the 6 members, the one governor is the chairperson, and specifically you can see here the deputy governor is the in charge of monetary policy, and this become important for you. Please note down, the deputy governor is the in charge of monetary policy. In charge of monetary policy. So if there is a statement who is the in charge of monetary policy, the deputy governor is the in charge of monetary policy, and the other 3 members represent the governments. Other 3 members represent the government of India, and the external members of the office for the period of the 4 years. And this committee is set up for the 4 years. The members hold office for a period of the 4 years. जो भी government से members आएंगे, बाहर से जो members आ रहे हैं, that's why the name external members, they are here for the 4-year periods. 4 साल के बाद उनको बदल दिया जाता है according to the governments. नेक्स्ट में आते हैं. सो जब भी मीटिंग होती है मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी की, देयर इज अ कोरम. जैसे पार्लियामेंट में कोरम चाहिए, मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ द एमपी प्रेजेंट इन द पार्लियामेंट. सिमिलरली देयर इज अ मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ द कोरम इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी मीटिंग, एंड द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कोरम इज 4 members. एटलीस्ट 4 members आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द मीटिंग ऑफ द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी. कम से कम 4 मेंबर तो जरूरत होंगे. एटलीस्ट हुम शैल बी द गवर्नर. उनमें से 1 गवर्नर होना चाहिए. अगर गवर्नर नहीं है तो डिप्टी गवर्नर का होना तो कंपल्शन है. One should be the governor. If the governor is not available, then the deputy governor should head the meeting. Deputy governor will act as a chairman in that case. And the MPC take a decision on the basis of the majority. If there are 6 members, then the majority will be 4:2 or 5:1 or 6:0. That will be the majority. मेजोरिटी के बेसिस पे ही डिसीजन होंगे, और जो भी मॉनेटरी कमेटी, मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी डिसीजन लेगी, द डिसीजन टेकन बाय द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी विल बी बाइंडिंग. It's a binding decision on the Reserve Bank of India that will take a decision on it. Decision of the MPC would be the binding on the RBI. So it's become a more important to you. The decision of the Monetary Policy Committee is binding on the RBI, not on the governments. So आपको यहाँ पे क्लैरिटी रहना चाहिए. 6 members होंगे, 4 का कोरम होगा. गवर्नर का प्रेजेंस नेसेसरी है. अगर गवर्नर नहीं है तो डिप्टी गवर्नर शुड बी प्रेजेंट. ही विल एक्ट एज अ चेयरमैन ऑफ द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी देयर. Okay, so these are some of the important information for your prelims examination. Now, this is the question that was asked in the 2017 examination, and this is a simple question. The question statement saying decide the RBI benchmark interest rates. It's a member of 12-member body. So you can see here it's a 12-member body. This is not correct. It's a 6-member body, 3 from the RBI and the 3 from the government of India. It function under the chairmanship of the Union Minister, Finance Minister? No, it's not work under the chairmanship of the Union Finance Ministers. It works under the chairmanship of the RBI Governor. RBI Governor. So second statement and the third statement is not correct here, and the first statement is correct. So the answer will be 1 only. So the answer of this question will be A. So this is the question that was asked by the UPSC in the 2017 examination. Now, which kind of the question the UPSC asked? They can ask a question related to the which kind of the rates set by the Monetary Policy Committee. The number of members are mainly required for the quorum. Who can head the Monetary Policy Committee meeting? Deputy Governor can head the meeting or not? These kind of the statements the UPSC can ask in your prelims examination. They can also ask a question about the decision of the MPC is binding on the RBI or not. Please mention this into the comment section. क्या binding होता है monetary policy committee का decision या नहीं होता? So please mention the comment section. The next video in the economics series, we will meet in the next video that will clear the more topic, more concept related to the economics. Please watch the video till the end to get the maximum benefit out of it. We'll meet in the next video. Myself is Devender Sir. I'm taking the economics and science here. Thank you.